If you want to turn off TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy S25, here's what you need to do. So what you need to know is that you need to use two fingers in order to do swipe gestures. For example, if you are in the home screen, you need to use two fingers in order to swipe up to go to the apps screen. If you are not in the home screen, I think it will be easier to start from here. So for example, if you have gestures, then of course you want to swipe with two fingers up in order to go back to the home screen. And if you have buttons, then you want to tap on the home button once and then double tap in order to return to the home screen. So now what we need to do is go to settings. I'm going to use two fingers in order to open app screens. Tap on the settings icon and then double tap in order to open it. Once again, use two fingers in order to swipe and scroll all the way down to go to accessibility. So tap on accessibility and then double tap. Tap on TalkBack and then double tap. And now we need to tap on this switcher and then double tap and tap on turn off and double tap again to confirm. And now TalkBack is enabled and we can once again use just one finger in order to navigate. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.